Hello everybody, today I'm going to be bringing you a little bit of a different video. Instead of working on the engine of a car or cleaning a car, doing enhancements to a car, I'm going to show you how to do some upholstery. I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut down this piece of plywood to fit on there. And then I'm going to recover, I'm going to put new foam, going to recover it on vinyl and also stitch it. I'm going to show you all that. So here we go, we're going to get started. The first thing I want to do is I want to measure from here to here, and I'm going to cut down the board that I have so it'll fit between this and this. Bring in a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to measure from here all the way over to here, and then the board will fit between the two rails. And then also I have to figure out the dimensions from the side, and I've already measured on the golf cart, and we're about 39 inches is what I need to be for the wood. I'm going to get the foam probably about an inch bigger, so it hangs over half an inch on either side. But I'll show you that as I get to it. So right now I'm going to measure and then start cutting the board, and then I'm going to mount it to this, and I'll show you how to mount that as well using T-nuts. Alright, so the first dimension I'm going to take is from this side to this side. And I'm going to look for any indication of where the old one might have been, and it looks like maybe here, and then over here. It looks like it's been pretty much all the way up against there. So I'm going to go to here, and then here. It looks like 16 inches is going to be the best. I'm going to take a preliminary measurement from side to side and see what I think that should be. Now when I was with the golf cart, I measured the opening, and it was about 36 inches. So what I'm going to do is measure from side to side. We got 41 inches at the top. You need a couple inches movement, so I'm going to make this 39 inches and then center it on this frame. Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and mark 39 inches and then I'm going to cut that straight off. And I've got a neat little trick I'm going to show you on how to do that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of wood across here. I'm going to clamp it down, and I'm going to make a fence for this to run across. So what I want to do is measure from here to this side of the blade. I'm sorry, from here to this side of the blade, and then add that to the mark that I've already got. So it's an inch and 3/8 added to the line that I already have. So I'm going to mark that. So I'll mark that on both sides. Now all I have to do is clamp my fence in place on the mark that I just made. So this is my mark at 39 inches, and this is the 1 3/8 from there. Again, the same thing here, 39 inches plus 1 3/8. So I'm just going to clamp this, and then I'm going to use this as a guide for my circular saw. Alright, so another trick is to set the depth of the blade to where it doesn't cut through these 2x4s, because I'm using those to hold my wood. I'll show you what that looks like. So what that looks like is adjusting this to where this blade will not go all the way through. Or it will go all the way through, but it won't. Okay, so you can see I need to adjust it down a little bit. That's a lot of it. Okay, so you can see there, it's going to get through the plywood, but not cut all the way through the 2x4s. And that's what I want. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So you can see the line, and I don't know if I can get a good view. Yeah, I can't get a great view, but you can see that the saw should be running right along the first line that we made at 39 inches. So we're going to go ahead and cut this. So I forgot to lock this in place so it didn't drop deeper, and it did, but I think we're fine. I corrected it as I was going through. So now I'm going to mark the long side and cut that down. And I'm not going to bore you with the details on that, so you can just see what I end up doing. Alright, so we're going to take a look and see how close we are for this fitting the frame. Alright, I like that. I'll show you what we got. So here on the front, there's some rivets on both sides. And then on the back, it's really smooth. So I think this is a very good fit. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to flip it over and line it up, and then drill some holes and put the T-nuts in, and I'll be showing you that as well. Alright, so 39 divided by 2. 39 divided by 2 is 19 and a half. So I'm going to find the center of the board. Mark it at 19.5. It looks like there's a center mark right here, but we can't really confirm that just yet. 19.5. And all right, so this piece is 35.5. So 35.5 divided by 2 would be 17.75. 35.5 divided by 2, 17.75. And sure enough, that's right on the center. So anyway, I'm going to mark it so it's a little closer from me. 17.75. 17.75. 19.5. Okay, so we're just going to line these marks up. I'm going to go ahead and clamp it. All right, I think we're good. We're going to go ahead and drill holes for the T-nuts. And we've got 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the front. So I'll show you how to measure and figure out exactly which size hole to drill. All right, first thing I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole. And so this is a T-nut. Make sure you can see what that looks like. And you'll find this on boats, the deck boards on the back. Anything that you have to run screws into plywood that's probably going to get wet and rot over time. But anyway, so I'm going to place this right over this hole and find center and go ahead and drill a hole. And what I'm going to do is locate using this, and then I'm going to use that as a guide. Okay, so we got the pilot holes. Now I'm just going to match up a drill that fits, that's going to be larger than the diameter of the T-nut. So the T-nuts I bought for this were 1/4 and a 5/16 drill bit will get us just enough clearance to get through, to get this through the hole. So I'm going to open these holes to 5/16. I'm going to open the hole. So because of the way that I marked this, I want the T-nuts to go in from this side here, the bottom side. So I'll flip it over and put those in. Alright, now we're going to see if the frame fits and see if we can run some screws in here. So that's the front. Alright, so I can't find my, I think I know where it is. I was going to say I can't find my favorite screwdriver, but I think it's right over there in that drill box. So I want to run this in with an actual screwdriver rather than a drill or anything like that, just so I don't cross thread anything. but bring in here, I think these holes are lining up really nice. Right there. Right there. Well, that looked like it was off, but here we. So I'm going to continue putting these screws in. Alright, so it looks like we've got ourselves a golf cart seat that's got a little bit of structure to it. And now we just need to put foam on here, and then we need to cover it. So I'll be showing you that here in the next video, or it'll be in this video. I'm not sure which yet. I might break this down into a couple of videos and go from there.